With Nocodable component, you can quickly import the library's design system into your Bubble app. This makes sure that every component can be customized to your brand identity. To do so, simply go to Colors and Style, open your app's design system. From there, you can customize each colors to make sure that it fits your app's identity. For example, let's make it green. Then you can go to import this design system. Our extension will quickly analyze your app to see which styles and color variables from Nocodable are already present or not in your app. And then you can confirm an import. And this is important. Make sure to refresh your editor, otherwise Bubble might not take into account some of the changes that have been made. When this is done, you can go back to the library in sections. You can enable import with styles. And then when you will import a new component, it will be automatically customized to your app's colors. And there we go. It's all green and nice. Now, if you want to update the color palette you've imported into Nocodable, you can go back to Colors and Style. You can go back to your palette. And let's say we want to make it blue again. I'm going to select a blue palette, something like this. I'm going to click Update. And I can go back to import this design system. The extension will penalize once again your apps. And here you can select the checkbox override already imported styles and color to make sure that the existing styles in your app will be overridden by the extension to update them. So I can check this, confirm and import. And as we can see in the back, it has already been updated. Once again, make sure to refresh your editor if you want to paste another component, but we can see that all the colors have been updated. And there you go. That's how you import styles in Bubble with Nocodable.